Welcome back to another video, guys. Out here it is almost 65 degrees. It's pretty windy, but we are taking the jet ski out first time. It is February 15th, so I think I'm the first one, at least in the Midwest, to get one of these as an owner and get it on the water. Me and the wife are going today. Super excited. Like I said, water's way too cold, but we need to put the hours on it. You can hear the wind already. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Tons of videos with this to come. We have it hooked up to the Tahoe today. Before we get out on the water, I do want to run this thing on the hose. I want to get it kind of warmed up. I want to check the oil, check the coolants, just make sure that everything is good before we get out on the water. So we have the hose on. I do not like the connector. It is plastic. It could be stripped really easy, so be very, very careful when you're screwing that in. Super windy, as you can tell. That dock is splashing like crazy. Jet skis on the water here behind me. Just wanted to give you a little show. We'll spin it around in the water. It's been running great. It's been running phenomenal. So spin you around here. Looks so good. Super stable. Very impressive sound system. Works great. Having a blast. We're gonna get some shots as we cruise on the water here, but I just wanted to hop off, take a little break, show you the ski. Just doing great, doing awesome. So we're sitting here idling in one of my favorite spots. Huge bluff behind me, stretches all the way around. And if you look close enough, you can see the snow still on the edge of that cliff, which is pretty crazy. There's nobody out here. This is the calmest water that I know of on this lake. But it is gorgeous out here. The sun's a lot warmer than I thought. Everything is different than a Spark, a lot different. This thing has a ton of power. We're still in the break-in. We got about 1 hour on it right now, jamming out to some music, just cruising. Maybe we'll get close to 2 hours on it today, and then we'll just have to wait until the next warm day. So we'll catch you back at the house. We are back in the driveway. Had a really good time. Hopefully got some good shots for you guys. Now when the water warms up, we'll be able to get in the water and really get some action shots. We're just really limited right now because it is so cold in the water. I think it's still only like 45 or 46 degrees in the water, so way too cold to be messing with it. And hopefully before long, it'll warm up enough. It'll start warming that water up and we can actually get in and get going. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave it down below. This thing is fast. It's a lot of fun, a lot different than what we're used to. It's going to be a great summer. So make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you later.